Van Oord cares about creating a better world for future generations. With over 150 years of working in the ocean, we have gained considerable experience and expertise in many marine ecosystems. With Ocean Health, Van Oord has the ambition, knowledge and resources to protect and restore these ecosystems. By using our marine ingenuity, we can be part of the solution and upskill ecosystem restoration, contributing to the climate change ambition needed by our planet. What makes Ocean Health unique is a sustainable business model mindset, the belief in valuable partnerships and the ability to deliver client solutions driven by operational excellence. Combining Van Oord's expertise and knowledge as a marine contractor, we strive to make an environmental, economic and social impact. This is done by a team of experts who are united by a shared passion for our oceans. Covering a diverse range of backgrounds, our team combines entrepreneurial drive and knowledge in operations, finance and science. By following an evidence-based approach, we bring in-depth knowledge to the market via operations at scale.